The evolution of tanks is a story that spans over a century. A tale of engineering brilliance and military necessity. From the early lumbering behemoths of World War I to the sleek advanced machines of modern warfare, tanks have played a pivotal role on the battlefield. It all began in the muddy trenches of World War I. The British Mark I tank, with its cumbersome design and slow speed, was the first prototype that changed warfare forever. These early tanks were designed to break the stalemate of trench warfare, providing mobile cover for infantry and rolling over barbed wire and enemy trenches. Fast forward to World War II, and tanks had become more sophisticated and deadly. The German Panzer IV and the Soviet T-34 were game changers, boasting improved armor, firepower and mobility. The T-34, for instance, with its sloped armor, became a symbol of Soviet resistance and was produced in staggering numbers. But it wasn't just about brute force. Tanks evolved into complex systems requiring seamless coordination among crew members. Commanders, gunners, loaders, drivers, and radio operators had to work in perfect harmony to maneuver, target, and engage the enemy effectively. The introduction of specialized tanks also marked a significant evolution. Flamethrower tanks, for example, were designed to flush out enemy soldiers from fortified positions with terrifying jets of fire. Although not always effective, they instilled fear in their adversaries and were a psychological weapon as much as a physical one. As technology advanced, so did anti-tank measures. Portable weapons like the American bazooka and the German Panzerfaust allowed infantry to take on these armored giants at close range. The development of these weapons made tank crews acutely aware of their vulnerabilities, especially in urban and forested environments where ambushes were common. By the late 20th century, the role of tanks had shifted yet again. No longer just instruments of war, many historic tanks found new life as museum pieces, serving as solemn reminders of past conflicts and technological milestones. Today, enthusiasts and historians alike can appreciate these mechanical marvels up close, understanding the evolution and the impact they had on history. So, the next time you visit a military museum or a tank exhibition, take a moment to reflect. These metal beasts are not merely relics of war, they are testimonies to human ingenuity, resilience, and perhaps lessons for future generations. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more military history content. Catch you in the next one.